And so T-35 DJI Agro drone is taking landing, automatic landing actually. Behind it in the foreground you can also see a Mavic Pro multispectral drone doing its work side by side. We have a fine landing here. And so we're going down, 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 and touchdown.